In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly enhance your design projects in Framer using SVG icons from Iconnoir. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to incorporate stylish vector graphics into your creative work, elevating its visual appeal and adding a professional touch. So grab a cup of your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive right in. First things first, to get started, let's open up Framer. If you're new to Framer, it's a fantastic tool for designing and prototyping interactive applications, allowing both creativity and efficiency. Once you're inside Framer, locate and open your project. If you're opening an existing project, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the canvas and layout. This step is key because you'll soon be bringing in new elements, and a clear understanding of your current design will help integrate them seamlessly. Next, let's navigate over to the Iconnoir website. Iconnoir is a superb resource when it comes to finding a wide variety of high-quality SVG icons. These icons are not only visually appealing, but also customizable to fit the unique style and theme of your project. Once you're on the site, feel free to explore the extensive library of icons available. Browsing through the categories can spark inspiration or offer exactly what you're looking for. Now, it's time to choose an icon that suits your project needs. Whether you're looking for something minimalist or more detailed, take a moment to find the one that complements your design aesthetic. Once you've found your perfect icon, you'll want to select it. Right there on the page, you'll see the option to copy the SVG. Go ahead and click Copy SVG. This action saves the icon as an SVG code to your clipboard, ready to be pasted directly into your design project. Returning to Framer, you'll need to bring that SVG icon into your workspace. Simply press Ctrl and V on your keyboard to paste the SVG into your Framer project, and just like that, you've added a new SVG element to your design. It's a highly efficient process, allowing you to experiment with different icons and see what fits best, all without having to exit Framer multiple times. The versatility of SVG graphics means you can easily resize and customize your new icon without losing quality. Adjust its position, change its color, or tweak its size to suit your design requirements. Incorporating SVGs not only enriches your design, but also keeps everything scalable and sharp across different devices. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to enhance your Framer projects using SVG icons from Iconnoir. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and are inspired to integrate these techniques into your work. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more design tips and tutorials. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.